Good day, all, and welcome back to our channel. Australia is one of the top destinations for skilled migrants, and in 2025, the demand for international talent is stronger than ever. From healthcare and engineering to IT, trades, and education, thousands of skilled professionals are needed to fill labor shortages across the country. In this video, we'll take you through Australia's updated skills occupations list for 2025, the industries offering the most opportunities, how to check if your job is in demand, and the new skills in demand visa, which has replaced the temporary skills shortage visa. So, if you're considering migration to Australia, make sure to watch until the end. Skilled jobs in demand are occupations the government has officially recognized as facing critical shortages of local workers. To manage migration, Australia uses four key occupation lists. Medium and long term strategic skills list. These occupations, like nurses, engineers, IT specialists, provide access to permanent residency pathways through visas like the subclass 189 or the subclass 190. Short term skilled occupation list includes roles like hospitality managers or marketing specialists. These typically offer temporary visas with fewer permanent residency options. Regional occupation list designed for regional Australia. Occupations have eligibility for visas like the subclass 491, encouraging skilled workers to live and work outside major cities. Core skills occupation list introduced in the new skills in demand visa framework. This list covers the majority of skilled roles employers are struggling to fill in 2025. Being on one of these lists is often the first step towards finding an option to apply for a visa. In 2025, Australia's employment rate is sitting low at around 4.2%. For migrants, this means one thing: employers are struggling to find talent locally, which creates greater opportunities for overseas workers. Here's a breakdown of the top sectors driving demand. Healthcare and social assistance. This is the fastest growing sector, projected to add more than 250,000 new jobs over the next 5 years. Roles like registered nurses, aged care specialists, and allied health professionals are desperately needed due to the aging population. Construction and infrastructure. With new housing developments, road and rail projects, and energy infrastructure, demand is booming for civil, mechanical, and electrical engineers, as well as licensed trades like electricians and plumbers. Technology and cybersecurity. As the digital economy expands, software developers, data scientists, AI specialists, and cybersecurity experts are in short supply. These jobs are critical for Australia's transition into advanced industries. Regional development. The government is pushing hard to attract migrants to regional areas. Incentives include extra visa points, priority processing for roles in agriculture, education, and hospitality outside the big cities. Not every occupation guarantees you a smooth migration pathway. Here are three strategies to improve your chances. Choose jobs that can't be outsourced. Roles requiring physical presence like teaching, nursing, or construction are far more secure than jobs that can be performed remotely. Focus on government backed industries. Healthcare, construction, and education are sectors the government actively prioritizes because of the severe shortages. Target high skill, high impact jobs. Occupations requiring formal degrees, licensing, or apprenticeships, such as engineering, teaching, and registered nursing, align better with skilled visa requirements than lower skill roles. Here's a simple way to check if your job is in demand. Visit Jobs and Skills Australia website to view the official shortage list. Search for your occupation by name. Look for the code S, which means job is in shortage. Check if it's listed in your state or territory since demand can vary region by region. If your occupation isn't on the list, it's unlikely to qualify for a skilled migration visa. Here's a snapshot of the top jobs in demand this year: healthcare, registered nurses, general practitioners, aged care workers, and physiotherapists. Engineering and construction, civil, mechanical, electrical engineers, plus project managers. Information technology, software developers, data analysts, AI specialists, and cybersecurity experts. Trades and services, electricians, welders, plumbers, mechanics, and carpenters. critical for renewable energy and construction projects. Education, secondary teachers in maths and science, early childhood educators, and special needs teachers. Agriculture and regional work, farm managers, livestock managers, and agricultural technicians. One of the biggest changes in 2025 is the introduction of the Skills in Demand visa, which has replaced the old Temporary Skills Shortage Subclass 482 visa. This visa has three streams. Specialist skills stream, designed for highly skilled professionals earning a high salary. No occupation list required. Instead, eligibility is based on salary. Salary must be above Australian dollars 141,210 from July 2025. It offers fast track processing, making it easier for employers to bring in top global talent. Core skills stream for majority of skilled workers. Occupation must be on the core skills occupation list. Minimum salary threshold is Australian dollars 76,515 from July 2025. Employers must conduct labor market testing to prove they couldn't hire locally. Essential skill stream for low paid but critical jobs in industries like care work and hospitality. While not the focus for most skilled migrants, it helps fill shortages in frontline roles. For migrants, the specialist and the core skill streams are the most relevant. These pathways can lead to employer sponsored visas and, in some cases, permanent residency. If you're a skilled professional, the best time to apply is as soon as possible. Why? Because demand is high, thresholds are increasing, and visa policies are tightening each year. So, the earlier you act, the better your chances of securing a visa under the current requirements. Australia needs skilled workers, and 2025 is shaping to be one of the best years for migration opportunities. If your job is on the skilled occupation list, contact our team today and start preparing now. Get your skills assessed, check your visa options, and connect with employers who are willing to sponsor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone considering migrating to Australia. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.